Latest on the Mumbai train update, where local traffic have been affected because of a technical glitch on the Kalyan line. Now, the state and central government have swung into damage control mode. The Chief Minister has issued strict instructions for law and order to be maintained. Union Railway Minister Suresh Prabhu has also tweeted saying they are making efforts to sort out the problem, and that both the state and the central government were working closely together to study the feasibility of the Diva CST line. Let's get a word from our correspondent Vidya, who's with us on the phone line. Vidya, can you explain to us exactly the statement that's been issued by the state government? What exactly are they talking about when they say we're looking at the feasibility of the Diva CST line?
Well, there have been serious, problems because of the suburban areas. Suddenly, the population has certainly increased in these areas, but the number of services that were supposed to have been deployed, looking into the fact that there have been number of people who are residing in suburban areas has increased, especially in the Diva and the other areas. That certainly is something that is the statement has said that they will need to study. But at the moment, I am right now at the Kanjurmarg station. About half an hour ago, there was one train with the help of police personnel that was started. Just about one train, that is outstation train, has just started on a different line. But as of now, people are still waiting for the last half an hour, trying to get into a local train to get to their destinations. As of now, the services in Mumbai are still not back on track as they should be.
All right, with that, stay on with us now. Mumbai local train services have been hit between Kalyan and Diva stations. A technical problem in one of the trains hit Mumbai traffic early this morning. Adding to the problem is agitation by commuters who have taken to the tracks and blocked trains. An electrical problem reportedly on a train from Kalyan to Diva this morning forced some trains to be diverted. People resorted to stone pelting after services were hit. There was also mild lathi charge that the police had to resort to. The state government, in fact, came under fire for this lathi charge, but they retaliated, saying that they had to use force because the commuters were getting violent. Vidya, our correspondent, is with us on the phone line from Mumbai. Vidya, you're telling us that now the law and order situation has been brought under control. The state government saying they're looking at a long-term plan as well because of the chaos that this one technical snag led to. What's the situation on the ground? Has traffic on that one line between Kalyan and Diva been restored? All right, we'll try and reconnect with our correspondent Vidya. Meanwhile, we're being told that motormen in Mumbai have decided to call off their strike, which means that traffic will soon resume.
हमारा ये कहना है, ये मोटरमन की केवल सवाल नहीं है, मोटरमन है, गार्ड है, हमारा जो रेल की कर्मी है, हर लोगों को मारापीटी करने का काम हमेशा होता है। हमारा जनता से कहना है, हाथ जोड़ के विनती है यात्रियों से, भाई मोटरमन, गार्ड, हमारे रेल के किसी कर्मियों को मत मारिए। हम लोग दिन रात आपको पहुंचाने के लिए, आपको सही जगह में सुरक्षा के साथ में पहुंचाने वाला काम हम करते हैं। अब यहाँ जो गड़बड़ हो रहा है, गाड़ी बंद हुआ तो कहते हैं कि मोटरमन और गार्ड बंद कर दिए। कोई मोटरमन गार्ड ने बंद नहीं किए। दिवा के अंदर जो हल्ला हुआ उसके जरिए गाड़ी नहीं आ रहा, हमारा मोटरमन और गार्ड पहुंचे नहीं है लॉबी के अंदर, तो गाड़ी चलाएंगे कौन? जो हमारे पास जो मोटरमन और गार्ड जो उपलब्ध है, हम प्रशासन से कहा कि भाई थोड़ा सा सिक्योरिटी लगाइए, हमारा भी जान है और आपको सही ढंग से अगर ले जाना तो हमारे मोटरमन गार्ड को भी सिक्योरिटी की जरूरत है। अभी सिक्योरिटी प्रोवाइड कर रहा है, गाड़ियाँ जा रही है।